Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. I think y'all can see how I'm looking. Whenever I'm looking good, just know the wig is from Luvme Hair, okay? Because wow, I'm obsessed with this wig. I look so good. And by the way, let me tell you, this wig is a full lace, so meaning no tracks, okay? No tracks. It is a full lace 360 wig, period. Okay, so you can do a half up, half down without having to worry about your tracks showing. It is a game changer. So without any waste of time, let's get straight into today's video. I don't want to waste your time, but also I'm happy, guys. I am so happy. The fact that I can just I am that girl. I am that girl. Look at that. Get yourself this wig. Get yourself this wig. We have to be looking gorgeous this December, okay? I'm pretty. I am so pretty. This is a game changer, period. So today I just wanted to do things a little bit different so that you can get to see this full lace 360 properly. This is the Luvme hair box as usual. Everything is packed neatly, especially since the wig comes pre-styled. They make sure that what you see on their website is exactly what you will receive when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. So these are the goodies that they sent me, and when I tell you how soft this wig is, darling, I mean it. It is nice and bouncy. It is a full lace 360 wig. It comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-styled with drawstrings to help you with your desired updo hairstyles without having to glue down your wig, especially at the back, okay? You don't have to worry. The hairline is quite nice as well, and I love the fact that this wig does not have tracks, which means it is a full lace and you can part it anywhere and also be able to do hairstyles like half up, half down, or two space buns without worrying about your tracks showing. So when you rock this wig, all you need to do is gently, and I mean gently, pull the strings on both sides, lock them for security, tuck them inside your wig, or rather hide them, and you are good to go. The drawstrings, as y'all can see on the video, will make sure you achieve a glueless finish at the back without having to worry about not being able to see where to put your glue, because I mean, we don't have eyes at the back of our heads, okay? Bantase, I believe we don't have eyes. So just like that, you can rock any updo hairstyles of your choice. So guys, this step you can actually use ear tapes to secure your sides and rock your updo. But today I'm going to do things a little bit different. We are going to be gluing down this wig using a spray, okay? So guys, I'm quickly going to do my makeup and I will be back with the finished look. I am so obsessed with the lace of this wig. It disappears, like literally it disappears. It is beautiful. I love it. It is nice and soft. It blends really well with my skin tone as well. So I'm just like, Love Me Hair did such a great job with this wig. I'm really excited to see how I'm going to look after the lace is nice and melted to the gods. Okay, so I will see you in a bit. Guys, I'm loving the way the lace melted. Like literally it is nowhere to be found. Okay, like this is beautiful. I'm so happy. I am really happy. Like I can just literally rock this wig like this, you know, but I'm going to do an updo. I think a ponytail, just a simple little messy ponytail, and yeah, I love it so much. Yo, I'm obsessed. Like I'm so pretty. I feel so pretty. Yo, Love Me Hair. And the fact that this is like literally there's lace everywhere, it is so nice. Like when guys, it is really nice, especially because I don't have cornrows underneath, so it literally feels like my own scalp because there are no tracks on this wig. I don't have cornrows, I just gel down my hair. So literally guys, I wish you could feel what I'm feeling because this is a game changer. Like yo, I'm so obsessed with this wig.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride. Go more. Hold you for life. So tight, coming closer.
So guys, I'd say one thing that I also really love about this wig is that if you want to do a half up half down hairstyle, you can do it nicely without having to worry about your tracks showing on the wig, because this is a full lace wig. Okay, so it is absolutely a game changer. This is the first time I'm owning a full lace wig, and let me tell you, I am glad that I get to own this wig. Like, it is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. Guys, if you want to pat it in the middle and do, you know, your pigtails, this wig is for you because you don't have to worry about tracks. Like, yo, I'm so impressed. I'm really impressed. I love it so much. It is a 10 out of 10. Okay, so yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Love Me Hair Company. Until next time, bye guys.